The London Stock Exchange LSE started in 1698, when John Castaing started keeping tabs on stock prices on a board hanging inside Jonathan's coffee house, which was the place to encounter businessmen with monocles. This exchange region is by far the least exotic of all, as you could argue that the US Stock Exchange was simply an extension of the London Stock Exchange at first, and that its model was copied from it. Today the LSE is operated under the London Stock Exchange Group, which used to also own the Borsa Italiana. More on that later. Good or bad, the recent Brexit gives the opportunity to the UK to take a new direction with its financial market, without having to abide by the EU's way of doing things, all things stock related of course. There are 2,483 listed companies on the London Stock Exchange, and they are denominated in British pounds sterling. The exchange allows foreigners to trade on it with no restrictions. The UK is a developed economy, therefore the exchange contains a wide variety of listing, both in manufacturing as well as services in all major industry groups. You will have no issues accessing UK listings from abroad. As access is very broad, most standard brokers will offer listings on the LSE by default. The United Kingdom's economy is a well-developed social market and market-oriented economy. It has the world's 5th largest nominal gross domestic product, GDP, 9th largest purchasing power parity, PPP, and 21st largest GDP per capita economies, accounting for 3.3% of global GDP. The United Kingdom was the world's 5th largest exporter and importer in 2019. It also has the 3rd largest inbound and outbound foreign direct investment. In 2020, commerce with the European Union's 27 member states accounted for 49% of exports and 52% of imports in the United Kingdom. The service sector dominates, accounting for over 80% of GDP. The financial services industry is especially significant, with London ranking as the world's 2nd largest financial centre. Despite a loss in global supremacy, the United Kingdom has the potential to project enormous power and influence throughout the world in the 21st century. There are no complicated tax burdens on UK stocks for foreigners, and the UK holds a double taxation treaty with most countries in the world. Therefore, there is little chance of having difficulties on that front. The main hiccup you will come across is when the company of the shares you own is UK property heavy. Then there will be taxes to be paid to the UK authorities. Information is widely available for companies listed on the LSE. The best resources for research on UK listings can be found under the Business, Industry and Trade section of the Office for National Statistics UK website. First, with more than 100 regions covered, you can learn more with the Exotic Markets book available on Amazon. Second, you can explore sector and industry intelligence for different countries by going to pervasives.com. If you have an issue in relation to accounting and tax with foreign stocks, you can contact us by going to our website.